I just strapped 5 robot window cleaners to the outside of my apartment building. My neighbors think I've lost my mind. My building manager has questions. And my windows have never looked better in my entire life. But here's what nobody tells you before you spend your money on one of these things. 2 of the 5 robots I tested nearly fell off the glass. One of them left streaks so bad it was actually worse than doing nothing. And the one sitting at number 1 on this list does something so embarrassingly good that I literally stood outside and laughed. I spent 6 weeks and over $1,200 testing every robot window cleaner worth talking about in 2025. I ran each one on floor-to-ceiling glass, on frameless windows, on outdoor high-rise glass, and on the kind of filthy windows that haven't been touched in 2 years. Stay with me, because the number 2 pick on this list has a feature that changes everything for people with frameless glass. And almost nobody is talking about it. And the number 1 pick? It's not even close. Let's get into it. Number 5, Hutt W8, the great mid-range pick. The Hutt W8 is what happens when a company figures out how to hit a sweet spot between price and performance without embarrassing itself in either direction. Let's talk suction first, because that's the whole game with window robots. The W8 pulls 2,800 pascals of suction, which sounds like a spec sheet number until you watch it hold itself to the glass on a windy day without flinching. I tested it on a balcony door during 25 km/h gusts, and it didn't budge. That's not nothing. The cleaning path is a zigzag pattern, which covers the glass efficiently without leaving massive strips in between passes. I measured coverage on a standard 1.2 by 1.8 meter window, and it hit roughly 93% of the surface, which is genuinely impressive for this price range. The microfiber pads pick up dust, grime, and light grease without smearing it around. I cleaned a kitchen window that had cooking residue on it and walked away satisfied. Now the reality check. The Hutt W8 struggles in corners. It gets to within about 3 centimeters of the edge and then turns around. If you have heavy buildup along your frame edges, and most people do, you're finishing the job by hand. Battery life is solid at around 30 minutes per charge, which covers most standard windows comfortably. But if you're doing large sliding glass doors back to back, you'll be waiting for it to charge between sessions. It also doesn't come with an auto refill water system. You're manually spraying the pads before each run. A small annoyance, but worth knowing. Price is around $130 to $150, depending on where you find it. For someone who wants to dip their toes into robot window cleaners without committing to the premium tier, the Hutt W8 is a solid, sensible starting point. But if you want something more advanced, keep watching. Number 4, Ecovacs Winbot W3 Omni, the most advanced and newest. The Ecovacs Winbot W3 Omni is the newest robot on this list, and Ecovacs came out swinging. This thing launched with features that the rest of the market hasn't caught up to yet. And if you're the kind of person who wants to own the most cutting-edge version of something, this is your pick. The auto detergent dispensing system is genuinely clever. There's a built-in reservoir that automatically releases cleaning solution onto the pads mid-cycle. You fill it once, press a button, and the robot manages the rest. No pre-spraying, no dry passes, no streaks. I ran it on windows I hadn't cleaned in 8 months, and it handled them in one pass. The AI path planning is smarter than anything else I tested. It maps the window surface in the first few seconds, identifies obstacles like handles and frames, and adjusts its route accordingly. On a window with a tilt and turn handle dead center, it navigated around it cleanly and resumed coverage on the other side. Every other robot on this list either bumped into it repeatedly or gave up on that section entirely. Here's the catch, and it's a real one. The W3 Omni is priced at around $350 to $400, which pushes it firmly into the think hard before buying category. And because it's the newest model, firmware is still being refined. I encountered 2 instances where the navigation froze mid-window and the robot needed a manual restart. Not dangerous. The safety rope held it, but frustrating for a device at this price point. If Ecovacs irons out those firmware kinks, and their update history suggests they will, this moves up the rankings. Right now, it sits at number 4 because the technology is brilliant, but the execution needs another couple of software cycles. Number 3, Ecovacs Winbot W2S. The best value. The Ecovacs Winbot W2S is the answer to a specific question. What's the least I can spend to get a robot window cleaner that genuinely works without compromise? The answer, right now, is this: around $200. And it's not even a close call. The W2S runs on 2,600 pascals of suction, slightly below the W8, but the cleaning pad design more than compensates. The dual rotating pads work in opposite directions, which means they're scrubbing rather than wiping. On windows with hard water deposits and dried rain marks, the difference between scrubbing and wiping is night and day. I tested it against a window that had visible mineral stains from 3 months of rain, and it cleared them in 2 passes. The Hutt W8 left those same stains mostly intact. Battery life here is 40 minutes, the longest of any robot on this list below the #1 spot. On a large living room window, I got 3 full cleaning cycles on a single charge. The Winbot companion app is functional. You can set cleaning schedules, monitor progress, and get low battery alerts. It's not revolutionary, but it works reliably, which is more than I can say for a couple of apps I tested from smaller brands. The limitation? Frameless glass is a challenge. The W2S is designed with framed windows in mind. On frameless surfaces, it gets a little uncertain at the edges, slowing down and occasionally reversing when it shouldn't. It's not unsafe. The safety rope does its job, but efficiency drops. If you have frameless glass throughout your home, the next pick is built specifically for you. For everyone else, the W2S is the smartest money you can spend in this category. Best value, full stop. Number 2, Hobot S7 Pro. Best for corners and frameless glass. Most robot window cleaners are designed for standard framed windows and then awkwardly retrofitted for everything else. The Hobot S7 Pro was designed for frameless glass first, and the difference shows everywhere. The ultrasonic sensor array around the edge of the S7 Pro detects glass boundaries without needing a physical frame to reference. On my floor-to-ceiling frameless windows, it mapped the surface perfectly, cleaned right to within 1.5 centimeters of the edge, the closest of any robot I tested, and reversed before it ever reached open air. That 1.5 centimeter gap is down from the 3 centimeters most competitors leave. On a large window, that's a meaningful strip of glass you're actually getting clean. The corner cleaning mode is where Hobot genuinely pulls ahead. When the S7 Pro reaches a corner, it slows, executes a deliberate edge pass along both adjoining sides, and then continues. I compared corner coverage across all 5 robots by photographing the same window before and after each run. The S7 Pro left the cleanest corners of any device I tested. It's not even debatable. Suction sits at 3,000 pascals, the highest of any robot on this list outside the #1 pick. On textured glass, which is notoriously difficult for window robots, the S7 Pro maintained contact and cleaned effectively where others lost suction and triggered their safety shutoffs. The downside is price. You're looking at $280 to $320. And if you have standard framed windows throughout your home, you're paying a premium for corner and frameless performance you may never fully utilize. But if frameless glass is your reality, and for anyone in a modern apartment or recently renovated home, it often is. The Hobot S7 Pro is the only robot on this list built to handle it properly. Number 1, Ecovacs Winbot W2 Pro Omni, best overall. Here's the thing about the Ecovacs Winbot W2 Pro Omni. I went into this testing period expecting to fight for a #1 pick. I expected to be splitting hairs between suction numbers and coverage percentages and debating whether the corner performance justified the price difference. I didn't have to do any of that. The W2 Pro Omni is better than everything else on this list in nearly every category that matters, and it's not subtle about it. The auto detergent dispensing, the AI path planning, the 3,200 pascal suction, all of it is here, refined and working. But the thing that actually made me stand outside and laugh is the obstacle detection paired with the edge cleaning. This robot cleans to within 1 centimeter of a framed edge. 1 centimeter. I measured it 3 times because I didn't believe it. On a 2-year-old window caked with city grime, it cleared the surface in a single pass and left 0 streaks. I checked it with a flashlight at an angle, the method that reveals every streak a window robot leaves behind. Nothing. The app integration is the most polished on this list. Scheduling, real-time monitoring, cleaning history, pad replacement reminders, it all works exactly as advertised. The robot also tells you when the water reservoir needs refilling rather than just running dry and leaving streaks halfway through. Battery covers large windows comfortably. The safety rope system is the most robust I tested, dual redundant, with an auto-lock mechanism that triggers if suction drops below a threshold. It doesn't just slow down, it locks. That is the kind of engineering decision that builds trust. The honest catch: it's around $350 to $380. That's real money for a window cleaner. But here's the context. A professional window cleaning service for an apartment will run you $80 to $150 per session. This robot pays for itself inside 3 visits, and it's available right now. No supply issues, no firmware lottery. It works.